Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do Excel chapter 2 independent project 2-4. I have done this assignment many times for many students. I will do this assignment step by step and you will get done your assignment by watching my complete video. If you are busy or if you are not able to do your assignments then you can easily contact me and I am available for your help. I will provide you a plus grade in your all projects. I can also do Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Access. So if you need my help, then you can easily contact me. Now I'm going to start this assignment step by step. So you can read this. I'm going to do step number one. Step number one is open the workbook central see the Excel 2. If the workbook open in protected view, click enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So I have already saved my Excel file. You can see that. Okay. Question number 2 is select the table sheet, select cell A1 to B6 and create range name using create from selection button formulas tab define name group. Okay. Select this range, go to the Excel worksheet and paste this range. First go to the table sheet and paste this range and create range name using create from selection button. Go to the formula tab and create from selection in the define name group. So click on this and click OK. Our question number 2 is complete. Now I'm going to do question number 3. Create an XLOOKUP function to display the bonus rate. If XLOOKUP is not available, build the following formula is equals to VLOOKUP. This formula leave the range lookup argument empty so that VLOOKUP find the closest match. So part E is click the commission sheet tab and select cell F5. So go to the Excel worksheet and click on commission sheet tab and select cell F5. Part B is start XLOOKUP function and use cell E5 as the lookup value. So I will use the XLOOKUP function in cell F5 to calculate the value of bonus rate and use cell E5. For the lookup array argument, use commission level range. For the return array argument, use bonus range. For match mode argument, type -1 which find the next smaller match. So I will open the dialog box. So you can see the lookup value, lookup array, return array if not found match mode. So lookup value is E5. Lookup value is E5 and for the lookup array argument use commission level. So copy the commission level and paste into lookup array. For D is for return array argument use the bonus rate. So copy the bonus rate D is for match mode argument type minus one, which find the next smaller match. For match mode minus one and click OK. Okay. You can see the value of bonus rate in cell F5. Our question number 3 is complete. Now I'm going to do question number 4. Question number 4 is format the result as percentage style with two decimal places. So this is our result. I will format this result to do two decimal places. Go to the home tab and go to the format. Sorry, go to the number tab. Percentage style with two decimal places. Click OK. This is two decimal places. You can see this. Click OK. Question number 4 is complete. I'm going to do question number 5. Question number 5 is copy the formula in cell F5 to cell F6 to F14. I will copy the formula in cell F5 to F14. Use the fill handle to copy the formula to F14. Question number 5 is complete. I'm going to do question number 6. Set order of operation to calculate the commission and bonus totals. Part A is select cell G5. The total paid is dollar amount of commission plus the commission times the bonus rate. So I will select the cell F5, go to the Excel worksheet and select cell F5. Part B is start a formula and select cell E5. I will use this formula is equals to E5 plus E5 multiply F5, and we will find the commission with bonus value in cell G5. Use the formula is equals to and press enter. I have calculated commission with bonus value in cell G5. Now I'm going to do part C. Add cell to the product of commission amount time to the bonus rate. Part D is format the result to show zero decimal places. So this is our result in cell G5. I will format this result to zero decimal places. Go to the home tab and click number group. This is decimal places and format this result as zero decimal places. Click OK. Part E is copy the formula in cell G5 to cell G6 to G14. I will copy the formula in cell G5 to G14. Use fill handle to copy this formula. Okay. Our question number 6 is complete. I'm going to do question number 7. Question number 7 is create and copy a sum if function to calculate total earning by branch office. I will use sum if function to calculate the value in cell E18. Select cell E18. Part B is start sum if function with cell $D$5 ratio $D$14 as range argument. Okay. Open the sum if dialog box. What I will use this range in range. So copy this range and paste into range. Part C is set the criteria argument as relative reference to cell C18. So put cell C18 in criteria. Part D is determine some range argument and make the reference absolute. So some range is G5 to G14. So some range, click some range and select G5 to G14. Okay, and click OK. You can see the value of common park, and I will part D is copy the formula in cell E18 to cell E19 to E20 without formatting to preserve borders. So copy the formula E18 to E20. Part F is format cell E18 to E21 as currency with 0 decimal places. So first select this range, copy this range and select this range in Excel sheet and go to the home tab and in number group as currency with 0 decimal places, currency with 0 decimal places, click OK. Our question number 7 is complete. Now I'm going to do question number 8. Question number 8 is total the earning in cell E21. Go to the Excel worksheet. Total the earning in cell E21. So I will select cell E21 and I will use some function to calculate the value of total in cell E21. You will go to the home tab and then in editing group you will see the sum function. Click sum So range is E18 to E20, E18 to E20 and press enter. You can see the value of total in cell E21. Question number 8 is complete. Now I'm going to do question number 9. Question number 9 is calculate the average mode and medians values in cell E22, E23 and E24 for the commission and bonus total in cell in column G. So I will calculate the value of average mode and medium in cell E22, 23 and 24. I will use the average formula and range will be G5 to G14 and press enter. This is value of average. Now I'm going to find the value of mode. I will use mode formula. Range is G5 to G14. Okay, and now I will find the value of median. So I have find the value of total, average, mode and median. So question number 9 is complete. Your 50% assignment is complete. If you need complete solution of this assignment or if you want me to do this assignment, then you can easily contact me through my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in description of this video. So just relax, enjoy and give me your task. If you need Microsoft Excel assignments, Microsoft Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments and Access assignment, then I am available for your help. So don't worry about work, just relax and give me your task. Thanks for watching my video, like my video and subscribe my channel.